Good morning, students. Today's topic in maths is probability. You must have often used the word chance or by chance. For example, you forgot to do your homework and you were scared of being punished. But by chance, the teacher remained absent, making you happy. Sometimes you must have also experienced that the day you carry your umbrella, it doesn't rain. But someday, in case you forget your umbrella, it starts raining. There are many such instances happening in our day-to-day life, but such events have a rarest chance of happening. Here, in this chapter, we are going to consider certain experiments whose results have an equal chance of occurring. You must have seen cricketers tossing the coin before they start the match, and one of them will get heads. Here the result of toss cannot be fixed beforehand. So such experiments are called random experiments. Similarly, if you throw a dice which you use for playing Ludo, if you throw it, you can get any number from 1 to 6. So getting heads or tails and the toss of a coin, the possible outcome is either a head or a tail. And all total, how many possible outcomes are there in this experiment of tossing the coin? Only 2. Either you will get heads or you will get tails. Similarly, if you throw a dice, you get either of the numbers from 1 to 6. So, what is the total number of outcomes here? The total number of outcomes in throwing a dice is 6. The possibility of a die or a coin landing on edge is so rare that we don't consider these outcomes in our probability. More the number of experiments we do, like more the number of times we toss the coin, more are the chances of getting same number of outcomes. The number of heads and the number of tails coming will be almost equal or nearby equal. So if you toss a coin, the chance or the probability of getting head is 1 out of 2, and also the chance of getting a tail is 1 out of 2, because 2 is the total outcome. Either you get head, either you get tail. So the possible outcome of getting head is 1 out of total 2, that is 1 upon 2. Similarly, the probability of getting tail is also 1 out of 2. You can see a spin wheel here. This spin wheel has 5 different parts or 5 sectors. Here, suppose you spin this wheel, then your pointer is going to stop at one of the sectors or one of the parts. But how many total outcomes are there? There are total 5 outcomes. But the pointer is going to stop at any one of the color. So the probability of getting that color is written as 1 upon 5. For example, the probability of your pointer stopping at 1 is 1 out of 5. Similarly, your pointers stopping at orange color, that is 3, the probability is still 1 upon 5, because orange is only 1 out of the total 5 colors. So here the probability of each number is 1 upon 5 or 1 out of 5. Now here you can see numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you know that 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So if I ask you what is the probability of the pointer stopping at prime number, then the probability will no longer be 1 upon 5. Let's take the example of prime number. So out of 1 to 5, how many prime numbers are there? 3. So what is the probability of this pointer stopping at one of the prime numbers? It will be 3 upon 5. Because there are 3 prime numbers out of total 5. Well, can you say what will be the probability of this pointer stopping at an even number? How many even numbers are there? 2. 2 and 4, only 2 even numbers are there. So the probability of pointer stopping at an even number is 2 out of 5. The value of probability always lies from 0 to 1. If it is an impossible event, its probability will be 0. For example, the probability of sun rising on earth from west. Is it possible? No. So it is an impossible event, so its probability is 0. Similarly, the probability of apples growing on a mango tree will be 0. And probability of a sure shot event is always 1. For example, sun rising on earth from east. What is its probability? 1. Because every day sun is going to rise from east only. So its probability or probability of any sure shot event which we are sure that this is the outcome, that is 1. Its probability is 1. Rest all probabilities lie in between 0 and 1.